we have been making a medication called Serum eye drops for years and years and years. It's something that has been done for probably 20 to 30 years. And what it is patients who suffer from chronic dry eye will have their blood serum drawn at various labs, and the labs will bring their serum to us or send us their serum, at which point we actually will mix their serum into eye drops. We'll dilute them a little bit with something called balanced salt solution, which is like it's called isotonic. So it's a neutral, commercially available eye drop that people will use for dry eye. So this is kind of what we make for them, is like basically their balanced salt solution on steroids. So they'll get the dry eye serum. We'll use their blood serum, and we'll use the balanced salt solution, and the patients will use these in their eyes usually 4 times a day, and it will the proteins and growth factors from their blood serum actually work to strengthen their cornea. So when they use these, gradually their corneas will get better and better. They'll their corneas will not be dry anymore. They'll complain less about itchiness, redness in their eyes. We've actually had multiple patients. One in particular called me after going through these eye drops for about 2 months. She had done one cycle, so it had lasted her about 2 months. And she was getting ready to get redrawn, and she wanted to ask me some questions. And she's like, is it normal for people to say that it helps their vision? Because this particular woman had, had a severe, had severe dry eyes, and had a lot of reduction in her quality of life. She wasn't reading anymore. She could barely watch TV because her eyes were so dry, her corneas were so damaged that her vision was blurry. When she started using these, gradually her corneas healed. Because her corneas were healed, some of the scarring on her cornea had corrected itself, and her vision, well, not restored to 100%, she basically could resume day-to-day activities, which was really cool to hear. So that's just one story of a very cool compound we do that helps people's lives.